Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Princess Scenic Mystery Pins Series 2. These were released in January of 2026, and they are available only at BoxLunch for $12.90 per box, and there is one pin in each box. The pin designs here feature a Disney princess with other elements to her story, and it's all done in a single shade of color. These are very cool designs. I love these. This is a 6-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are Mulan, Merida, Pocahontas, Cinderella, Rapunzel, and Moana. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 7 boxes here to open up, which is 7 pins total. I would like to complete this whole collection, but if I can't complete it today, the ones I want the most are Rapunzel and Cinderella. And I never completed Series 1. Those came out, I think, about 3 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, and I'm still missing 2 of those, and they don't sell them anymore. So I'm gonna have to find those from someone who sells pins out there. All right, we'll see what we get in pin 1. These are decent sized pins too, which is pretty cool. And our first pin, so they're silver on the back. And our first one is Mulan. Very cool. So it's all kind of different shades of pink here. So we have Mulan, and I see lots of lanterns. Is that Mushu? I do see Mushu. We have Mushu right there. A lot of the flowers or cherry blossoms. And I think I see Cricky right down here at the bottom. Very cool. These are really cool designs. I love these. I love just that single color with different shades of that color. Very nice. And this box got really crushed. These came in, I think they were shipped in just like a bag, and the bag was just kind of jammed in the mailbox. And all right, let's see what we get. Pin 2, I can tell from the back that it's definitely different, which is good. So I'm at least going to get 2, right? And this one is Pocahontas. And this one is all different shades of orange. So we have Pocahontas. I see a river, a bunch of trees. We have Miko right here. I see some deer back there. And then the bird, which is Flick. I think it's Flick. Very cool. You are getting probably a much better view than I am. So once I look at these up close, take pictures of them, I'll be able to see all the little details that I can't quite see when I'm just holding them. All right, we have 2 down, 4 to go. Let's get all the princesses. And this one, from the back, it kind of looks similar. The top shape looks very similar to Mulan. Let's see. It is another Mulan. You can just kind of see the shape, and it's like, oh, I think that's her head right there. All right, so we got our double. It's the only double we're allowed here. I don't have high hopes of completing this with only 7 boxes, but could get very lucky. All right. See what we get here. Hopefully not a Mulan and not a Pocahontas. And this one, there's something sticking up, but it's not Flick. This is different. So I'm gonna have 3, yay. This one it's Rapunzel. Very cool. And this one, of course, is a bunch of different shades of purple. So we have Rapunzel, and we have the tower in the background, and it looks like, I'm just gonna guess here, I can't quite see. It looks like she's holding, I'm guessing, Pascal. I can't actually tell from my eyes if that's Pascal yet. And we have the little, I forget what that's called. Is that like the Corona star or something up there? And we have the flower down here. Very cool. That is awesome. It'd be really nice if they made, they took these designs and made like a jumbo pen, like a really big 4-inch pen or something. All right, so we have pink, orange, and purple. Let's see if we can get, what do we got left? Greens and blues. All right, pin 5. And looking at the top little bumps from the back, this might be different. And it is Moana. Very cool. That one actually would be pretty cool to get too. I like Moana. And this one is kind of I want to say green, but it's kind of a green blue. Different shades of kind of a greenish blue. And we have Moana. I see some islands and trees in the background. Oh, is that Pua? I see Pua right there. Got some flowers. Oh, there's her boat I know it's not called a boat, but that's back there too. I can't tell if Hey Hey's in there. Have to get a closer look to see. Oh wait, there he is. I see him. He's right there. Hey Hey's right down there in that one side there. Very cool. All right, 4 down, 2 boxes to go. Hey, still do it. Let's see what we get. And this one, ooh, I can tell from the top, I think that's going to be Flick. Flip it around, and it is. So we have another Pocahontas, so I cannot complete the collection in this unboxing. So my last one here, and I'm still missing Merida and Cinderella. So are we gonna get one of those? Or are we gonna have to search for 2? And well, I can tell from the back, it looks very, very similar to Moana. And it is. So we have another Moana. So, hey, it's just like my first unboxing, getting 4 out of the 6, which, hey, that's not too bad. I've only got 2 to go, but I was hoping to at least get 5, or hey, you know, all of them would have been nice. So those were the Disney Princess Scenic Mystery Pins Series 2. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite that I unboxed. After getting a close look at all the little details here, my favorite is Moana, and it's for a few reasons. I really love the color of that one. I love that kind of greenish blue color, and I think a island theme really works with kind of the background of this, like all of the lines that flow look like waves, and I love the little palm trees and Hey Hey and Pua and the flowers, and that one just really works for me. But the other 3 are really good too, so I really could have picked any of these. So this was a really good unboxing for me, getting 4 out of the 6. So I'm only missing 2, which is Merida and Cinderella. So if I find those 2, I will complete Series 2. And I still haven't completed Series 1 yet. I only have 4 out of the 6 there too. But I will say, comparing the 2 series, I really love the color choices of Series 2. I think they nailed the colors, at least out of the ones that I unboxed. Each color of these pins match what I would think the princess would be as far as colors go. Series 1, they were kind of off a little bit. Ariel was a dark blue, which it fits. That's okay. It just seems like she should be more of an aqua blue, but she was a dark blue. But the biggest miss there was Snow White was green. And I've never really seen Snow White be green in a pin before. It's usually red, sometimes blue. And then Jasmine was orange, which it's not too bad, but I would rather have it more of a green blue to kind of match her dress. So I think they did much better with the color choices here in Series 2, but it would be cool to complete both series and have all 12 pins on one pin board. I think that would look really cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.